Guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Din and I'm going to show you how to prepare your ingredients, mix the spices and then cook the dish. Very simple method I'm going to use, so please follow the instructions carefully. So let's cook. Hi everyone, my name is Chef Din and today I'm going to show you how to debone the chicken. And first thing you need is a good sharp knife. This is like a kitchen knife, and this is like a deboning knife, as you can see. These are global brand, which are Japanese, and they're very good. If you buy a couple of these knives, they may be a little bit expensive, but they will last you a lifetime if you look after them. So go out there and get yourself a good quality knife. That's the most important to have in your kitchen. So right, let's begin. So the easiest method, I'm going to do it very slowly, so this way you'll see what I'm doing. So first turn it over on the back, like so. Then hold the chicken here and pull it through. You see the bone? You see the bone come out here? So that's released. So with the little knife, just follow the bone. This way you have minimum loss of meat. So just follow the bone and just cut gently. I'm doing this a slow process just to show you how it's done. Normally I would do it really quickly. So that's one bone off. So next one, same again, push it out so the bone pops out. Okay, so we're going to make our cut in between this bone. So first, we don't want to waste this meat here, as you can see. We want to take that meat out gently and just follow the bone, kind of feel the knife on the bone itself. See, we're passing that bone what we popped out. There you go. That's the second bone. This is a little bit tricky, but you'll get it. There's a backbone here. You can just feel it, like so. Then there is a knuckle bone here, just there. Let's do it with a bigger one. Okay, just there. You want to just go through that bone, like so. So once you go through that bone, then with the knife again, just go along. Here is the wishbone, or collarbone, sorry. Right. So once you've broken through that collarbone, then same again, go along here on the chest. There's the front cage. So what you do is just on one side of that cage, just gently go along the bone, like so. Again, just go along the bone. Then, this is the easy part, you just pull away. See? That's one piece. And then with your little deboning knife, you just go in with the bone, just feel the bone and just cut gently. And that's another piece. And we do the same again here. Just gently go along that bone. Here. That's it. Take your time, there's no rush. No rush at all. watch your fingers because the knives are very sharp. Just break it here, the bone. That's it. And just pull it away, like so. Then we have just that little bit of meat there. This is perfect. And there you go. Now, look at that cage. Can you see it? It's just the bone. Now, this is a very important piece. If you're cooking BRI curries, then this is very important. When you cook my base gravy, you use this piece of meat and also the bones from the legs. So what we do, we leave that aside. So we put that in the bowl, like so. Now we're going to cut up the chicken. So if you're cooking curry, this meat, if it's little like this, it's best to leave it in one piece. So we leave that in one piece. This is a little bit bigger, so we'll cut that in two. Now, this is the wing part, so we just cut along here like so. So we separate that. So we have, this is the time where you can tidy it up a little bit, so like so. Then we cut one here, one cut here. Depending on what size of chicken pieces you want, we're going to make them not too big, like so. Try to cut the chicken pieces similar size, is very important, because that way they will all cook evenly. There's a little bone there, we take that out. That's the, I think that's the wishbone. So cut that into two, like so. Again, we just take that off here, cut them straight across. There's the other wishbone. Take that out, like so. But it's so important that you have the correct knives, you know, when you're cooking. Not just the correct knives, you need the correct pots as well. Now when you're cooking a curry, you know, these wing bits are really nice. So if we separate them, do a chop there, and we can cook those wing bits with the curry, and that will be quite nice to, you know, just pick up and eat. So we leave those whole instead of wasting them. If you don't like them, then you can discard them, but they're really nice. Try it. Don't be scared to try it. Please. Now we come to the legs. First, we want to separate the legs. So there's a bone here. Go straight through the soft bone here, if you can see. Okay, go straight through. Now there's one bone only, just one bone here. So what we want to do is just again guide along the bone itself with your little knife, but be very, very careful. You know, these knives are very sharp. So just guide along the bone, and what we want to do is try to take this off in one piece. You know, just feel the bone, and just then underneath, same. Right, we're nearly there. It doesn't take long. There you go. That's a nice piece there. So we're going to cut that half here and half there. And same again there. And this one, the leg, drumstick, we just cut along the bone, like so. And just cut that tendon off. We'll leave that in one piece. And same again this side, hold it firm, then just go along the bone, like so. Like so, that's it. We'll keep these bones for our base gravy. Same again here. Basically what we're going to do is cut off the last piece. Same again, go straight through the centre of the bone, see? This is the soft bone, so it's easy to cut through. Then with the knife, just feel the bone, you can feel it. I prefer to do this with a bigger knife, but if you feel it, then basically you can feel the bone, and just take it off gently, like so. And just go along the bone. This way you don't waste so much meat. So just like so, like so, like so. You can tidy it up. There's a little bit of bone here. You can cut that bit off. Then cut it there. Yeah. And again in half. And one chop here, as you can see, like so. That's one piece. And the final bit here. Now, that didn't take too long, did it now? These are bones, what you can see. If you don't use these today in your base gravy, I suggest you freeze them. Then when you're going to make your base gravy or chicken stock, then you can use these bones. Anyway, that's how to cut a chicken and debone it. And now you can do your own. Bye for now.